So here's another. Put it into the standard form, and this time identify the intercepts, meaning x and y intercepts. Well, the y-intercept is easy, right? What's the y-intercept? -8. In this definition of a quadratic function, it's the c, right? So we know that the y-intercept right away is 0, -8. Now, how do you find x-intercepts? Plug in 0 for y and solve. So if I did that, I'll do that first. All right, that'll be 0 equals -x squared plus 6x minus 8. So how can you find the x's? You could graph it. It's factorable. Think of it like this. If you multiply both sides by -1, what does it do to the terms? It flips all the signs. So since it's leading with a -x squared, I'd kind of like it to be leading with a positive x squared. If I rewrite it like multiply the whole thing by -1, right? I can do it if I do it to both sides. Well, 0 stays the same. And then this becomes x squared minus 6x plus 8. And then for sure, it should look factorable, right? What two numbers? The product is 8 and the sum is -6. Yeah, -4 and -2. So 0 equals x minus 4, x minus 2. So x equals 4 and 2. So that gives us our x-intercepts then are 4, 0, and 2, 0. So there's all the intercepts. We got that part done. And now we need to complete the square on this. What do we say again, just? I multiplied both sides in order to flip the sign, so it looked more factorable. Okay. How do I need to factor anything from the first two terms in this? Is a equal to 1? -1 does not equal 1, right? So you have to factor the -1 from the first two terms. So f of x equals negative, and if I factor the negative from -x squared, I get positive x squared. If I factor a negative from 6x, I get negative 6x. Right? You know, if you're not clear on that, just think, if you distribute this negative sign, negative times -6x makes positive 6x. Now, what do I add to that third position to make my... How many said 9? Okay, you're right. If you didn't say 9, don't tell me. Okay. Now, what do I have to add on the end of the line there? Okay, remember the minus in front. That means when it looks like we're adding 9, but it's really a -9. So what do I do at the end? Add 9. Okay. So f of x equals negative x minus 3 squared plus 1. What is the vertex? Positive 3, positive 1. And does it open up or down? Down because of the negative in front of the parentheses, right?